Hi, Mr Sharma. My name's Pak Yiu from Australia, and I understand that you're currently halfway through your second term as Secretary General for the Commonwealth nations. I'd like to know what your plans are for this year and the rest of your term as the Secretary General.
Thank you, Pak, for that question. Of course, I, as Secretary General, must at all times be thinking. People call it a legacy. I don't look at it in that way. I just think of it as a contribution which I can make being here. And I'm very keen to see that we are a values-based organization. We want to advance the rule of law, human rights, a democratic culture in all our member states. So I look forward to engaging more in institution building in all our member states, because in the end, you have to internalize and make your own contribution and your own systems sustainable. So my ambition going forward is to strengthen institutions like a Human Rights Commission, Electoral Commission, Judicial Services Commission, the courts, the parliaments. I think this would be something which I would like very much to see increase in the Commonwealth. The other thing is to be contemporary in what we do and to use technologies, the ICT technologies that are available. We are very proud of our powers of convening, but this has been understood in physical terms. Our heads meet, our ministers meet, sometimes senior officials meet, but now we can be connected round the clock. And it is the synergy which we create by being connected. I have a line, I'm sorry if it sounds corny to you, that whereas 1 plus 1 makes 2 in the ordinary world, in cyberspace it makes 11, because 9 is dormant and comes forth when you connect all the points. So we've had a very successful electoral network in which we're all connected. We're launched on a health hub called Common Health. We launched on an education hub called Common Knowledge. I'm very keen to do it in capacity building for environment, for instance. Very keen to connect ministerials one with another. Otherwise, they become very episodic. A lot of what you decide and the enthusiasm you generate, it evaporates. And lastly, we are a small states organization. We must work for those countries that in the international system find it very difficult to have their voices heard. So we fight their corner, we do advocacy for them, we walk the walk with them, we talk the talk with them, and right now we are working on sustainable debt, finance, solvency. We are working on trade finance so they can export services and commodities in the present climate, which is very difficult. We are working on environment, capacity creating, get all the finances that are available as small countries, and how can you be helped in their disaster management. Many of our member states tend to be visited disastrously, regularly by natural catastrophes. So what are the products that we can develop? And lastly, technical cooperation. Not necessarily through us, but many of our member states now can help all our member states with their queries in technical collaboration. And what we need to do is to make a user-friendly software so that this communication in this channel can be opened up.